Have you ever looked at a corner in your kitchen, bedroom, or workspace and thought, there has to be a better way to use this space? Corners have a strange way of becoming forgotten. They collect clutter, store random items, or simply sit there empty. Yet corners can become some of the most functional and stylish spots in the entire home if we know how to design for them. Today we are unlocking hidden storage potential with clever wood organizers that turn wasted corners into useful, beautiful, and accessible spaces. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Let us begin with the corner conundrum. Corners in most rooms are often ignored because they feel awkward. Maybe your kitchen has a deep L-shaped cabinet where items get lost in the dark. Maybe your desk has a corner filled with tangled cables and stacked notebooks. Or perhaps a bedroom corner has a small pile of things that never quite found a home. The frustration comes from knowing that the space is there, but it is not working for you. The good news is that custom wooden organizers can resolve this problem beautifully. Wood is adaptable, clean, warm, and strong. That makes it the perfect material to transform and use space into a personal storage solution that fits your daily life. Now we explore our first corner maximizer project. I like to call this one the Kitchen Wizard. This project focuses on transforming a deep corner kitchen cabinet into a rotating pantry organizer. Before the project, items in the back are almost impossible to reach. Afterward, everything is visible and accessible. The build begins with measuring the exact width and depth of the cabinet. Then the rotating shelves are made using round or polygon shapes that fit smoothly inside the space. A simple Lazy Susan style base can be used to allow rotation. The structure is assembled from plywood or smooth hardwood panels, then sanded to ensure clean movement. When completed and placed inside the cabinet, it instantly transforms that dark corner into a practical storage zone for spices, snacks, baking ingredients, or cookware. The difference is dramatic. It does not only add storage, it removes daily frustration. We move to workspace improvement with Project 2, the Desk Dynamo. Desk corners often become piles of scattered stationery, tangled cables, and misplaced documents. This organizer changes that experience completely. The design uses vertical stacking to build a multi-tiered pull-out corner unit. Each section has a purpose. One compartment holds pens and clips. Another area contains notebooks or folders. A slot may hold a tablet or phone. And underneath, a small drawer can keep essentials hidden but available. The key to this project is strong joinery so that the organizer holds up through daily use. Even beginner-friendly joinery like pocket screws or dowels will provide excellent durability. Once finished, the desk corner that once felt chaotic now becomes a clear and efficient command center. You feel more focused, work feels smoother, and your space supports your workflow instead of fighting it. Our third project is designed for the bedroom, where calm and peace should always feel present. This is Project 3, the Bedroom Bliss Corner Shelf. The idea is to build a slim, vertical shelving unit that fits perfectly into the room corner. The shelves can be spaced to hold books, decor, plants, or personal items. A very special addition for this project is a small hidden drawer or charging compartment. This keeps your jewelry, glasses, or nighttime charging cords neatly contained instead of left on surfaces. The wood finish can match your existing furniture so the shelf integrates naturally. The end result is a bedroom corner that now supports rest, comfort, and beauty. It becomes a space that feels intentional and personal. Now that we have explored these cornerstone ideas, let us talk about how you can design your own unique corner organizers based on your home. The first step is to observe. Walk through your home and look specifically for corners that feel underused. Ask yourself what daily problem exists in that spot. Is it clutter? Is it wasted space? Is it something difficult to reach? Once you identify the need, the design begins to take shape naturally. Simple sketching can help visualize how shelves, drawers, or vertical stacking could work. For beginner woodworkers, these projects are very approachable. The essential tools include a measuring tape, saw, drill, sanding block, and wood glue. Always remember safety first. Use eye protection, keep work surfaces stable, and take your time with measurements to ensure clean results. The wood itself can be new lumber or reclaimed wood for additional character and sustainability. Finally, I invite you to take your corner transformation further by sharing your ideas and builds. There is a community here that grows through inspiration and shared creativity. If you complete one of these projects, describe it in the comments. Tell us what space you improved and how it changed your daily routine. Your project may inspire someone else to begin their own. If you found value in this guide and want more clever woodworking ideas, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog. New project inspirations and tutorials are shared consistently to support your creativity and your craft journey.